हाय एवरीवन एंड वेलकम टू कैटिट्यूड। आज के इस सेशन में हम डिस्कस करेंगे ZDI के ऊपर एक और सेट। आई होप कि आपने इससे पहले मैंने जितने भी सेट्स कराए हैं वो अच्छे से कर लिए होंगे। ठीक है, और नहीं किए तो आप प्लेलिस्ट में जाके उन सेट्स को कर सकते हैं। इसी के साथ साथ वी हैव क्रिएटेड अ फ्री व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप फॉर योर कैट प्रिपरेशन, जिसका लिंक आपको इस वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा। और अगर आप अपनी GDPI की तैयारी भी फ्री में करना चाहते हैं तो भी वी हैव क्रिएटेड अ टेलीग्राम ग्रुप, जिसका लिंक आपको इस वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा। ये दोनों चीजें एकदम फ्री है, कोई चार्ज नहीं लिया जाएगा आपसे। तो पहला क्वेश्चन ये है, अगेन DI का टिपिकल सेट है। सेट सॉल्व करने में इजी हो सकता है अगर आपको ये वाले जो ग्राफ्स हैं, बार ग्राफ और उसके ऊपर वाला, ये दोनों चीजें समझ में आ गई हो कि अप्लाई कैसे हो रही है। तो मैं सजेस्ट करूंगा आप टाइम लो, सेट सॉल्व करो और फिर अपने आंसर के साथ वापस आओ एंड देन फिर हम दोनों सॉल्व करेंगे। तो आई होप कि आपने सेट को सॉल्व कर लिया होगा। अब सेट कहना क्या चाह रहा है? द सेट सेज द डायग्राम रिप्रेजेंट्स द composition of professionals in three departments such as HR, finance and marketing of five different firms. The name of the firms are ABCDE specifically. Each of these firms consist of only three departments, that is HR, finance and marketing. The bar chart shows the number of employees in each of the firms, which means the bar chart here shows the number of employees in each of the firm, which is ABCDE. For example, firm A has 1600 employees, firm B has 1800 employees. The graph above it shows that, for example, if you are from firm C, then if you talk about the number of people who are working in finance department, it would be 25% of total number of employees in firm C. If you talk about HR, then it would be 75% of total employees, and the number of marketing geeks would be 25% of total number of employees. So this is how you need to read this graph. Now let's come to the question. The number of HR professionals at firm A. So from the graph, it is clear that we have 1600 employees for firm A, and the HR count for firm A is nothing but 25%. This one, so it would be 25%. So you will calculate, you will get 400 as your answer. The answer would be option C. Now coming to second question, the difference in the number of marketing professionals in firm B and that in firm C. So we need to calculate the difference in marketing professional in firm B and C. So from here we can see that in firm B there are total of 1800 employees. So the number of marketing geeks would be 37.5%, which would be 37.5%, minus in firm C the total employees are 1700 and the number of marketing people are nothing but 25%, which can be easily seen from the graph. Now you just need to solve it. So 37.5% is nothing but 3 by 8 and 25% is nothing but 1 by 4. When you will solve, you will get this 675 minus 1700 by 4 is nothing but 425. On solving, you will get 250 as your answer, which is option A. Now coming to third question. The third question says, in the next year, the firm D, the number of finance professionals increased by 30%, while the increase in numbers of HR and marketing professionals is 10% and 20% respectively. So it says, by what percent does the total number of professionals in firm D increase? So for this, what you need to do, we know that the number of professionals in firm D is 2000. Now HR is how much? Finance and marketing. We need to calculate specifically. HR is nothing but how much we can see from firm D. The HR in firm D is this one, which is nothing but 1 by 8 of 2000. I have directly converted into fractions. For finance, it is 3 by 4 of 2000. It can be visually seen that it is 75%. For marketing, it is nothing but 2000 or 1 by 8. You will solve it. You will get the count as 250. You will get this count as 1500 and you will get this count as again 250. Now it says that the number of finance professionals increased by 30%, HR by 10% and marketing by 20%. So I'm directly doing it by multiplying factor into 1.1. I hope you guys remember this. If you don't, then please ping it in the comment section. I'll try to make a separate video on this. And the other one is 250, 1.2. So you'll get the new values as 275. For finance, it would be 1950 and for marketing, it would be 300. Now what you need to do, you just need to count the percentage increase. So the total here, the fresh total is nothing but the sum of these three values, which is 2525. Now the percentage change would be the old value, which was 2000, minus new value upon old value. So you'll solve, you'll get 26.25% as your answer. Percentage change is an important concept that you need to remember, as it can be asked in any of the exams. The main thing here in this question was to analyze this graph. If you are able to analyze this graph and you remember the percentage to fraction value, then it would be an easier attempt. आई होप कि आपको ये सेट समझ में आया होगा. ऑल्सो इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट्स देन यू कैन डायरेक्टली पुट इट इन द कॉमेंट सेक्शन. Also, you can join the free WhatsApp group for CAT prep from the description section. For GDPR, we have a separate Telegram group which is also free. So you can start preparing from there itself. Thank you guys.